Hello and welcome to this Introduction to Natural Language Processing course. We'll be delving into the exciting field of NLP and looking at techniques that enable computers to understand, generate and classify human language. You won't need any prior knowledge on NLP to get started with this course, just some basic Python skills and maybe a little familiarity with machine learning. This first section of the course sets the stage for our exploration, where we'll be looking at what we mean by NLP and some applications in our everyday lives. We'll then move on to text pre-processing, which is arguably one of the most fundamental aspects of natural language processing. We'll work through each of the topics step by step and then add a practical lesson to allow you to practice your new skills. In section 3 of the course, we'll be looking to extract key components of our text through parts of speech tagging and named entity recognition. And in section 4, we move to understand the emotions in our text through sentiment analysis. We then move on to see how we can prepare data for further machine learning, and we'll cover text vectorization. Once we've done this, we're ready to move on to more advanced topics such as topic modeling and creating our own custom classifier for our text. Section A is a full practical case study where we'll take everything we've learned and apply it to a real-world business problem. You'll then have a notebook to add to your portfolio and show off your new NLP skills. The course concludes by discussing the future of NLP, and we'll cover deep learning and large language models and talk about where NLP might be heading next. So let's embark on this exciting journey together. Let me introduce myself before we get started. My name's Lauren Newbold, and I've been a data scientist for several years, both at large organizations and small startups, working on a whole range of different problems. Most recently, I built a custom text classifier using state-of-the-art NLP technologies to classify text coming from interview data in developing communities. I've also spoken at several conferences about the benefits that NLP can provide for developing countries. I have a passion for getting people excited about data and the insights it can provide, so I'm thrilled that you decided to do this course with me. Now that I've introduced myself and the course, let's get started with our first lesson where we introduce what we mean by natural language processing.